Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to watch Formula One live online from anywhere in the world for free. Whether you want to catch qualifying sessions, practice rounds, sprint races, or the full Grand Prix events, this is one of the easiest and fastest ways to do it. So, the website we'll be using is called ServusTV. It's an Austrian TV network that broadcasts Formula One races live and completely for free. No account, no subscription required. You get high-quality streams of race weekends straight to your phone, laptop, or smart TV. But there's a catch. ServusTV is only available in Austria. So if you're watching from the US, UK, Canada, or any country outside Austria, you'll get a geo-restriction message when trying to access the stream. But the fix is super simple. All you need is a VPN. Since we're currently outside of Austria, we can't access the stream directly. But with a VPN, we can connect to a server in Austria, and that makes the website think we're actually located there. Just like that, you unlock full access to ServusTV and can watch every Formula One race live from wherever you are in the world. Now, you might be wondering, can I use a free VPN for this? Honestly, not a good idea. Free VPNs are slow, come with bandwidth limits, and most of them don't work with ServusTV or other streaming sites. The connection often lags or crashes in the middle of the race. That's why I recommend checking out vpnsaver.com, a site that lists the best VPNs on the market, all tested and verified. You'll find the fastest and most affordable options, perfect not only for watching Formula One on ServusTV, but also for streaming platforms like Netflix, BBC iPlayer, and many others. These VPNs are ideal for everyday browsing, streaming, and staying secure online. Whether you're looking for ultra-fast speeds, low pricing, or just a reliable VPN that works, vpnsaver.com has got you covered. Plus, every VPN recommended there includes military-grade encryption, full privacy protection, and a strict no-logs policy, so you stay safe and anonymous online. Once you've picked your VPN, just download the app, open it, and connect to a server in Austria. Then go to ServusTV, refresh the page, and boom, you're watching Formula One live for free in HD quality. And that's it. If you want to stream every Formula One race no matter where you are, make sure to visit vpnsaver.com. The link's down in the description. Enjoy the races, stay safe online, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more videos like this. See you in the next one.